Today I am restoring this outdoor wooden furniture. First, I will sand down the wood to remove any old varnish, dirt, or debris. This can take some time, but it is an important step in the process. Great! The sanding is done, even I was getting bored. Now I will prep for the painting. First, I placed a drip sheet on the ground to prevent any mess on the floor. I used a garden leaf blower to blow away the dust caused by the sanding. I am using a clear wood sealer to recoat and protect the wood. This is more fun than the sanding and more rewarding too. Let's move on to cleaning up the cushions. Using a pressure washer, upholstery cleaner, and a drill brush, I managed to clean up the stains and dirt off the cushions. I'll let them dry in the sun for a few hours. Now it's time to arrange the furniture on my patio. Time to relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.